What connects a Caribbean island over 14,000 kilometers away to the heart of India? Well, the answer lies in a journey that began 180 years ago, not just of people, but of culture, identity, and resilience. It is a story of shared roots that continue to shape both nations even today. So, what's the connection between India and Trinidad and Tobago? Well, the very first connection between India and Trinidad and Tobago began on May 30, 1845, when the ship Fateh Razak arrived in the port of Trinidad carrying 225 Indian indentured workers. This marked the beginning of a significant chapter in both nations' histories. Over the next 7 decades, thousands more Indians, mainly from today's Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, arrived in Trinidad. Though brought as laborers, they stayed, adapted, and built a new life. Today, their descendants form nearly 40 to 45% of Trinidad and Tobago's 1.36 million population, and they have become central to its political, cultural, and economic landscape. Now, PM Modi will be visiting Trinidad and Tobago from July 3 to 4, and this will be the first by an Indian Prime Minister in over 25 years. Plus, it also brings this connection back into focus, because it coincides with the 180th anniversary of that first voyage. Moreover, in a significant gesture, PM Modi will be awarded the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, that is ORTT, which is the country's highest civilian honor. The ORTT is rarely conferred, and with this, PM Modi joins a small group of foreign leaders recognized for fostering international friendship and cooperation. Notably, more than a diplomatic step, the visit honors shared heritage and looks towards deeper cooperation. President Kangalu and Prime Minister Persad Bisisar, both proud Indo-Trinidadians, call themselves daughters of India. Therefore, this visit is a bridge between past and future, people and purpose, a celebration of enduring connection. Were you aware of the story or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.